welcome back again to Software Engineering with Vision, ladies and gentlemen. I'm super excited to be making this YouTube video right now. We're recording this project that we built using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I believe this is the 7th project that we'll be uploading. Since I rounded up learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which are basis for front-end development. Alright, I'm super excited again. Okay, let's just talk about this project right now. As you can see, this is a basic form registration where it has an input for your full name, for your email, for password, for confirm password, and the submit button. Mind you, there's no database right now, there's no backend, it's just front end. These are just all built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I keep on emphasizing on this in case for all those self-taught out there, self-taught developer out there, you know, who might be following right now. Alright, so as you can see, the background color, we have a background color of light gray is done using CSS, right? And for the basic, this structure form is done using HTML, right? You can see this registration form using h1 tag. This full name is done using the form tag and the input and label. For those of you who know HTML, you might know what I'm talking about. Alright, while for this form to sit on top of each other, it's done using flexbox colon display colon, right? And you can see the full name have a bold tag, the email have a bold tag, the password have a bold tag, the confirm password have a bold tag. All right, let me erase all this right now. This thing is not fully working. It's not just working that way. As you can see JavaScript is actually. You can see JavaScript is actually working right now. Those red signs were done using JavaScript. Alright. Okay, let me try and refresh first. Alright, you see I've refreshed. Alright, let's start again now. You can see the full name. Let's try and enter our full name. Okay, I think I have my name, Favorite Daffy. As you know, my name is Favorite Daffy. And for the email, let me insert my email. And for the password, look at the way I structured it. So let me see 1, 2, 3. And you can see it's showing weak password there. I said okay, good password. Now if I still keep on going, I'm going to show strong password. For the confirm password, you can see right now because I was just typing it, you can see that password do not match. I wish there's a backend and I try to submit, you know that the backend is going to send a error message that the password does not match, right? Okay, for the CSS, like I said earlier, this button is done using CSS. You can see there's an over effect, while for the JavaScript, for the functionality, as you can see, this strong password do not match. The color of the password is done using CSS styling, but for it to trigger, as I'm stepping in the input, for it to trigger is done using, because JavaScript is for interactivity, right? So thank you very much once again. If I submit, nothing is going to happen because there's no backend, there's no database. This is just the front end UI. All right, thank you very much again, ladies and gentlemen. I believe you are. I don't really know what to say right now. Although I'm actually ashamed, right? But I'll keep on going. I'll keep on pushing. I'll keep on doing it. I think I'll be posting my last project we built using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript before I start talking about. I started learning React and show some of my React code and projects. Then I'm gonna move over to. I started learning Node and Express and also MongoDB. That is where I am right now. So thank you very much once again. Please, I really appreciate you guys subscribe to this channel.